And there you have it, guys. As you can clearly see, we've got a free $100 Herzi code. Absolutely free. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you can see exactly how I did it, step by step. Alright, first you'll want to open your web browser and head over to a site called bonzocode.com. Be sure to spell it correctly so you don't land on the wrong page. As you can see, once you're on the site, there are lots of different gift codes available, completely free, and they add new codes every single week. Now let's look for the one we want. We're after a Steam code in this case. Alright, here it is. Just tap on it to proceed. Now, on this page, you'll see that we can claim a free $100 Steam code. What you need to do is select what you want and hit the Show Coupon button. You'll notice the gift codes are hidden at first. We need to unlock them before we can use them. Go ahead and press Unlock Code. Then just wait while this tool does its work in the background. Okay, at this point you'll see that you need to complete any 2 tasks in order to unlock the code. It's super easy, just follow along with me. All you have to do is download and open any 2 of these apps. And make sure you run each one for at least 30 seconds. Every offer has specific instructions, so read them carefully and be sure you follow the steps exactly. Otherwise, it won't work. Let's go ahead and complete one of these offers now, and we'll make sure to follow all of the requirements. I'll fast forward this part since it can take a little while to finish. Once your chosen app is downloaded, be sure to open it up and run it as directed. This part is really important. Always make sure you do it properly. You can skip this part because completing offer may take time, or if you want, you can just stay with me. And as you can see, the offer has now been successfully completed. Let's close out of this and return to the verification step. At this point, reload the page and give it a moment. And there we go. The page is now unlocked. Let's scroll down to find the code we wanted. There it is. Go ahead and click on Show Coupon. As you can see, the codes are now fully unlocked. Now, the last step is to go to the Steam Redeem Code page. I'll drop the link down in the comments so you can access it easily. Alright, let's enter the code we got. I'll type it in. K6Y3 GR9 Z5 DX7 R3U. Please give me a second to type carefully so we don't make any mistakes. Let me double check. Okay, it looks good. Now let's redeem it and see if the code works. And there you have it. As you can see, we've successfully got a free $100 Steam code, all for free. So that's the exact method you can use to get your own $100 Steam code using this website. Thanks so much for watching.